Hi there, I'm Bob Tamburi. I'm the product manager with Panasonic for Pro Audio Products. We're here at InfoComm 26 at booth C8630, and we got some really great stuff to show you. Here it's all about AV automation, and that's basically allowing our audio and our cameras to communicate with each other so you can provide a much more engaging experience for end users. When we have people at the far end of a meeting, we want to make sure that they see and they hear exactly what people in the space are going to be experiencing. So we start with our AM800 ceiling microphone, which is able to pick up all the people around the conference table, and it can steer the beam to make sure that it picks up clear and precise audio, and it can feed that to the loudspeaker system in the space, or it can feed it onto the meeting platform if you're using a Zoom or Teams type of meeting application. On top of that, we can synchronize our cameras. Our PTZ cameras are plug and play compatible with the sound location that the mic is providing. This way, the cameras can be set to directly point at the person speaking. We can take advantage of auto tracking and other features that are in the cameras. So that gives us a really good automated base to allow camera tracking of people who are speaking at the meeting. To expand the system further, we have our rAVe 800 system processor, and this does several things. This actually works as a system hub. It provides a Dante-equipped digital mixer with all kinds of great tools for optimizing sound in the space, but it also does camera control and provides an AV bridge, which gives you a USB feed that will connect directly to your Teams or your Zoom platform for meetings. So it brings in all the audio and all the video and gives you a single feed for that. The thing that ties it all together is our Mic CC software platform. This is a single free app that you can download off of our website, and this controls the whole game. This gives you control over our ceiling mic. It lets you create room spaces where everything gets mapped out physically. Here you can see pickup areas, camera areas, all in relation to where the ceiling mic is located. This lets you manage wireless mic systems, and it's one platform that does everything. You're not constantly having to use multiple apps and open and close windows. And once everything's programmed and configured, you can take it offline, but it serves as a great admin tool for monitoring and configuration, doing minor adjustments down the road. So that's the whole basic system. We also have our conferencing microphones, which get used for large numbers of mics in places like civic meeting spaces, courtrooms, large boardrooms. These are push-to-talk mics that work just like a conference system, and these can be used along with our AV800 processor and also in conjunction with our ceiling mic to create hybrid solutions. That gives you sort of the best of both worlds. So for more information, please go to our website at www.us.panasonic.com, and we hope to see you at InfoComm. Thanks for joining us.